are you doing?
I'm
All
doing very
good?
well. I'm doing very well.
Very nice to meet you.
Yeah, it's a pleasure. So I actually wanted to tell my audience about this project. You know, I met you and you told me about this, and I'm here myself to see it in the city of São Paulo. So I just wanted to tell me briefly about this project and some of the other project that's going to be delivered, the years, and how everything is going to be done.
Hello guys, nice to meet you. I'm glad to be here with Mike finally. We have in Brazil a very warm, welcoming country. So the program from the government, Minha Casa Minha Vida, that in English would be something like My House, My Life. It comes like, it helps you with many benefits for the buy of your first housing, like house or apartment, mostly apartment in São Paulo because of the, space. And I'll be glad to help you guys if you need so. I can give all the instructions as I did to Mike. We did it online because we have no more models for now. Like they are already almost calling to check if everything is okay on the floor, the ceiling.
Okay.
So that's it, guys.
All right. So can you quickly talk about, do you have some other projects and what year are they going to be delivered?
Yes, actually, we are doing many projects close to the subway to make it easier. Like São Paulo is a huge metropolis and sometimes traffic's disaster. So we need to have some ways to figure out how to move around the city. So we have coming Barra Funda, Carrão in the last. Oh my goodness, my English.
No, it's okay. Everybody understands.
We have in Carrão, we have in Barra Funda. We have some more upcoming in the beginning of the year. We're going to have 5 releases. I'll not give the spoiler now, but we're going to have many options.
So after the one that's going to be delivered in 2026, which other one are going to be delivered? Which year are they going to be delivered?
I think the next one's gonna be all around 27, maybe the end of 26. Sometimes maybe one come back again.
Okay.
As I told you, sometimes the client has some struggle with something, but mostly they're gonna be around 27.
Okay.
And 28 from now on.
Okay, so there's this thing I wanted to clarify to most of my viewers, they are foreigners, right?
Yes.
I wanted to clarify, is it something that a foreigner can do, or is this for Brazilians alone?
No, this is for everybody. We don't have this division. Like you see how it works. It was like smooth, right?
Yeah.
You were very smart. Also, we were checking point by point. I was very happy to clarify all the questions and doubts, and this was like a great experience for me as well.
Yeah. Okay, so as you can hear from my friend, if you are a Brazilian or if you're a foreigner, it's an opportunity you can leverage on. It's an opportunity you can benefit from. It doesn't matter where you are coming from, in as much you are legally staying in Brazil and you have all the documentations, then you are good to go.
Basically, Mike did a purchase of an apartment that is still in project. So he paid a list price for something that is going to value very, very quickly. Like as soon as they deliver, the value is going to rise greatly.
Okay.
This is very common because normally if you want to buy a house or apartment in whatever the place in Brazil, by law, you have to pay a huge percentage of the value of this housing by the moment you do this.